So here I am in my group, and as you can see, I've added the logo preference. I've added the 4 logos that were entered by the students. They just have to click on one of these images and submit, and then we'll have the logo, the poll results immediately once everyone has finished. Now, the way I did this was I had to edit the thread. I'll just go over to another group and show you, for example, in this one here, what I had to do. I had to actually click on Edit Thread for my group, but I'm just using this one as an example. And then I went down here and added a new poll. When you add the poll, I'll just open it up here. You select what you want. I selected multiple choice, and then I added images instead of choices. So I uploaded the 4 images, and I've said that the maximum number of allowed votes per user is only 1. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this. This is the poll type, the question up here. And so I'll just cancel that. That's how I did it. And then you just save the changes and it pops up. You can only use 5 files or 5 choices, no more than that. I think Antonia had already mentioned that previously. So I only had 4 images, so it was just perfect for me. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this and cancel this and go back to mine over here, and you can see how I've done it. So I had to actually download the images, save them onto my PC, and then add them here as smaller images. Okay, so I hope that's easy to understand how to add a poll in the thread itself. It's not an actual post, as you can see here. It doesn't allow us or any of the students or anyone with teacher rights to actually do anything else other than post a comment, add a link, which is okay. You can add an external link, for example, to Mentimeter or a few other different ones, but I've added it here so it's easy. They don't have to go out of the actual eTwinning space. So I hope that's easy to understand. This is Nevis signing off till next time. Thank you for listening.